Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. There's some singing in the background. It's Sunday here, and I guess that's some kind of church service going on. But this is the tombstone I fixed, and all the letters been outlined. And you see, it's just a pretty little tombstone. And I got to do a little bit more back there. When all this stuff started with the pandemic and all, I was going to get a white epoxy mix I use and do that seam. I'm still going to do that once all this is said and done and fix those cracks. There's one at the bottom and then one right there that you can pretty well see right there, and the original crack was right there. But these are my two great uncles. My great grandma's buried here, her second husband, and his wife and daughter are buried here too. And there's also I have two aunts buried here. They were twins. They didn't make it past childbirth. And this, to answer a question, this isn't on family property or anything. It's in a cemetery. The way people did back in the day, they bought these big plots, and you can probably bury, I'd say you could bury 20 people on a plot, maybe more. And my granddaddy had two of them, and their stones are over on another site. But this is looking good. I'm gonna come back and spray it and clean it up. I use a spray on here that you can just spray on there and just leave it and let the rains take it off, and that does pretty good. But I'll fix it again if something happens. Let me show you something else while we're out here. These are two tombstones I adopted. The one on your left, he was in the Civil War. He was born in England and came here. And this is his wife. I think this is in memory of his wife. She may have remarried, and because this guy, he was 37 when he died, and so I'm pretty sure his wife probably remarried, and so I think that tombstone's in memory of her. She may be buried. Yeah, it does say in memoriam of. She may be buried next to her new husband, but it says her daughter erected that tombstone. And the sad thing about in this particular cemetery, you see over there, see how dark those tombstones are? That's just from nobody cleaning them. And hers, I'm going to spray hers again when I'm out here spraying all mine. I counted up. I've probably got 50 plus tombstones I'm looking after, and about half of those are people I don't know. But it's all right with me. I enjoy it. But that's what I'm doing today, and this video was by request, and per y'all's request, I will upload this video in just a little while. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.